Hi, let me give you a little Rhaenyra update. She is officially on me now. I have completed the center back. I have put in a lapsed zipper, which I think was the best choice I could have done for this dress, getting in and out of it. I didn't want grommets. I didn't want that look. The zipper is perfect. But now she is a little big because I've lost some weight since the last time I've put this thing on, and I don't intend to, gain that back. So I have to do some pin tucks right back here. Not too bad. Nothing terrible, but the sleeve corners are done. There's that side. And then there's this side. Very happy. Of course, these are done. I gotta pin these or finally tack these guys down. And I just need to do the cuffs now. Then she will be C2E2 ready. I'm not really doing anything else to this. I have a lot more to add. I have to continue a lot of the embroidery to the back. I have to finish my petticoat embroidery and beading. But for C2E2, that's coming up at the end of March. This is what I'm going to wear. And of course my wig. But yeah, everything's working perfectly. She fits like a glove. I don't have much movement in my upper arms. This is about all I can do. But that's okay. This is just for costuming. I don't really need to have a whole range of motion. Pretty much I just need to have my hands available to do this for a picture and to say hi and to eat something. So that's kind of all I really need to do or anything. But I'm so obsessed with the fit and this neckline situation. I feel amazing in this. Honestly, I haven't been this excited about a cosplay in a very, very, very long time. Maybe my Clea, but she was a very easy kind of quick build. This is one that's taken me some time, and you guys have been with me on the journey, which I appreciate. All of the love and the follows and the comments and everything on this. So thank you guys for following. There's more to come. After C2E2, I will be making a wig from scratch, so you guys can follow me on how I make my Rhaenyra wig. I will be making a cloak. I will be making the crown. I'll be making a dagger. I intend to make a lot of stuff for this outfit to be able to compete with it later this year at a convention that I will name later. But for now, she's almost ready. Cuffs, gotta get the cuffs done. Oh, and of course the hem. This thing is insanely long, but she is done. Besides what I said, and ready for C2E2. If you guys are going to C2E2, let me know in the comments. Maybe we'll do like a meetup or something. I'm so happy with this. Look at this.